If you have not filed your taxes yet, it is crunch time. The deadline is April 15th.
That's right. This morning, we're learning about the tax breaks you're eligible for if you're over 50. So joining me right now to discuss them is TurboTax Independent Verified Pro, Dyron Bush. Thanks so much for coming in this morning.
Hey, it's a pleasure to be here, Amy.
Yeah, so we got into this a little bit last week when we talked to you, but what does that mean anyway? I was like, oh, TurboTax, so then you're an Independent Verified Pro, which means people can't come see you in person.
That is correct. Basically, the Independent the Verified Pro program is a pilot program. It just started this year, and it's been very, very successful. A lot of pros are saying that they're seeing very high percentages of clients coming in now. They also provide a face-to-face type of service opposed to DIY type of service.
Right, that's perfect, Dyron, because I know a lot of people want to see somebody in person, right?
Yeah.
Instead of just doing the TurboTax thing.
And so we're talking about benefits for people over 50, and I heard you guys were just talking about, are there really benefits? And you said there were, so what are they that they should not leave on the table?
Well, some of the benefits for a person that's over the age of 50 is the standard. You get an extra, what they call is an extra standard deduction.
Oh.
Okay, so if you're over 65 and blind, you get additional $3,700.
Okay.
Also, if you're single, and that's if you're single and head of household. If you're 65 or blind and single or head of household, then you get $1,850.
Okay.
And then if you're married filing jointly, or widower, or married filing separate, at 65 or blind, you get additional $1,500. And also a widower, married filing jointly or married filing separate, 65 and blind, you get $3,000.
Okay, those are very specific, and I got to be over 65, but that's good news, right? Not
Yes,
over 50.
That's
Let me
right.
ask you this one. I got another one, Dyron.
Okay.
Can people still reduce their 2023 taxable income by contributing to their IRA, or is it way past that point?
You still can, up to April 15th, you still contribute, but it's also when you're over the age of 50, you can contribute up to $7,500.
Oh, so the amount you can contribute goes up.
Goes up when you're at age 50, over the age 50.
Okay, up to $7,500.
So speaking of over 50, because I was just reporting this morning that millennials aren't buying health insurance, Gen Z isn't buying health insurance, but we know that this generation is. What would be the benefits of contributing to a health savings plan?
Well, with a health savings plan, you get additional at age 55 and older, you get additional $1,000.
Just for contributing?
You'll get additional amount of money that you can contribite to your HSA.
Oh, okay.
You know, so that's definitely a benefit.
That's money you're
then.
not taxed on.
That's right. It's pre-tax dollars.
Okay.
That is correct.
And the HSA is smart because it's the one that transfers over from year to year, right?
Yes. That is correct.
So maybe that's good for people keeping in mind planning for future years,
Yeah.
like as you're doing your taxes this year and you're like, oh, I wish I didn't have to pay this.
Yeah.
Maybe if you keep that in
55
mind,
and
that'd be
older.
one way to lower it. All right, Dyron, is there anything else that we're missing? I mean, we're in that final stretch of people filing.
Just make sure that you have all. Now is the time to start gathering all your documentation. Get that all together. Especially that's important for TurboTax because you get your support documentation in the form of a PDF and you upload it. So start getting that stuff together because it's going to be a big squeeze at April 15th.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people are going to be calling. A lot of these helplines are going to be clogged up. So yeah.
Don't count on getting help on April 15th.
Well, yeah, because
in other words, don't wait till the last minute. Right?
They already have.
That's what we bring the experts on to tell us.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Have a good
Dyron
one.
Bush, thank you.
All right, we're going to you can find even more tax filing resources, when you go to our website, click2houston.com/taxes. We'll also post this interview there for you as well.